Back now with the crisis in our country, a staggering rise in suicide attempts by Black children. NBC's Rahema Ellis now with one mother's heartbreaking message. And we want to note, if you do have youngsters in the room, some of what's discussed is troubling to hear.
Little dude, so happy.
From birth, 7 was his parents' joy. The child doctor said Tammy Charles couldn't have. You're a miracle baby, huh?
Absolutely. I told him over and over, Daddy and I love you so much, and this is something that we always did.
But last year, at 10 years old, they lost him to suicide in their home in Louisville, Kentucky.
We teach our children about stranger danger or guns or any other type of outward hurt that we try to protect them from. This is one that I was blindsided by. My 10-and-a-half-year-old son, my miracle child, my only child, was dead.
A study commissioned by the Congressional Black Caucus shows in recent years, self-reported suicide attempts by Black teens increased by 73%. The rate decreased for white teens. Black children younger than 13 were twice as likely to die by suicide than white children.
Really shocking.
NYU professor Michael Lindsay led the study. Why is this happening?
I think we have to talk about the racism and discrimination that is prevailing in our society. That trauma, I think, is engendering a sense of hopelessness for kids, wondering if their life really matters.
Tammy advocated for her son, trying to get him help, and worked with his school after she says he was bullied, called the N-word, and choked on the school bus just months before his death.
I miss most his smile. I miss calling his name, and I miss hearing someone call me mommy. That is what I miss the most.
Nationwide, Black and brown children are less likely than non-Latino white children to receive mental health services. Philadelphia psychotherapist Salima McNeil is trying to change that, raising money for free counseling for families of color.
We really want young folks to know that they aren't alone. Now more than ever, our folks are actually open to the healing and willing to get the healing.
Healing for Tammy is sharing her son's story.
If you don't have children, or if you do, tell them you are loved, you are important, and if there's anything that I can do to help you through, please tell me, talk to me, please.
Hoping other parents never experience her pain. Rahema Ellis, NBC News, New York.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.